How to get Japanese keyboard on iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use a Japanese keyboard on your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. Start by opening your Settings app. From here, tap General, then scroll down and tap Keyboard. From here, tap Keyboards at the top, and you can use this Add New Keyboard button to add your Japanese keyboard. Now, when you bring up the menu for Japanese keyboards, you might notice you have a few options. There's kana, romaji, and handwriting. I'll show you all three of these so you have an idea of what the best one is for you. The kana keyboard is the most used in Japan. It represents how buttons used to be on old cell phones, and Japanese people can type very quickly on these. If you're American though, I would recommend you use the romaji keyboard instead. The romaji keyboard will have you typing English characters, which then converts them into Japanese. This can be a lot faster if you're not native with the language. Additionally, there's the handwritten mode, and you can use this by manually writing out the symbols. You technically only need one of these keyboards to write in Japanese, so give them all a try and see which one makes the most sense for you. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.